Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to unlock the power of the present perfect tense. It is a super useful tense that connects the past to the present. Let's dive in. So, what is present perfect tense? It is used when an action started in the past and continues up to now, or when the action happened in the past but the exact time isn't important. So, the present perfect tense we use has or have plus third form of the verb. So, let's look at some examples. I have eaten breakfast. Here, the action of eating happened in the past, but we are focusing on the present result. The action of eating happened in the past, but we are focusing on the present result. Next example we have, she has lived in Delhi 5 years. She started living in Delhi 5 years ago and still lives there. Right? Now, look at the structure of present perfect tense. Subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb plus object plus remaining sentence. For example, first I will teach you has is used with singular subjects. Singular subjects are he, she, it. Have. Have is used with plural subjects. You, we, they, I. Example, I have seen that movie. I have seen that movie. Next example we have she has finished her homework. Finished her homework. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.